What is term insurance? Is it even worth it? I mean, it's going to expire anyway. Hi guys, my name is Erick Ramos. I'm an independent life insurance broker. And today we're going to be talking about what is term insurance, what are some advantages and disadvantages, as well as some examples where term insurance might be better for you. So let's get right to it. What is term insurance? Well, term insurance is an agreement between you and the insurance company for a specific period of time. Let's give you an example. If you have a 20-year term and you pass away within those 20 years, the insurance company will pay your death benefit. Simple as that. So what are some advantages? First advantage is price. Term insurance is less expensive than permanent insurance, so you're able to save money on life insurance as you're building your net worth. The second advantage will be higher death benefits. So if you're looking to replace your income or cover a mortgage, term insurance tends to be a better idea because you're spending less and getting more. The third advantage would be living benefits. Now, not all companies offer this, but if your company does, living benefits allow you to use the death benefit while you're alive in the event of a critical, chronic, or terminal illness. Now, what are some disadvantages? Some disadvantages would be underwriting. It's harder to qualify for life insurance. Why? Because insurance companies are looking for healthy people that they can live over the 20 years, 30 years because it's a business. So it's a little harder to qualify. Second disadvantage would be it expires. If you're looking for something more permanent, term insurance is not the best option for you because it's not meant for that. And if you want to renew it when your 20 years are done, it's going to be so expensive that you won't be able to keep up. The third disadvantage would be there's no cash value. If you're looking for an insurance policy to borrow money from it, term insurance is not your best option. Now, those are the advantages, disadvantages. Now, what are some examples when it comes to term insurance? Okay, the biggest example would be is if you have a family, if you have children, and you need your income to be replaced within those 10, 20, 30 years. So if you have a 5-year-old kid and you want to make sure that they have enough money to college, well, you want to make sure you can replace your income with the term insurance. Why? Because it's less expensive and you're able to have higher death benefits. Another example of when would be better for a term insurance is if you have a mortgage and you want to make sure it's protected. If you have a 30-year mortgage, well, you can do a 30-year term to make sure that it either gets paid off or your family receive a good amount to be able to keep up with the mortgage payments. Because unfortunately, a lot of people lose their homes, their equities, because somebody in the family passes away. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Please subscribe, like, and follow for more. As I always say, some coverage is better than none. See you in the next video.